Hello and welcome to the channel. First of all, I would like to thank each and everyone who is watching my videos for the last 1 year. And not only did you guys help me grow my channel, but today I have received my Google AdSense pin from YouTube, which is actually a big achievement for me. So thank you to each and everyone. And in this video, I am actually going to help you guys with all the things that is necessarily needed for your channel to grow and also to get this AdSense pin from YouTube. So do watch the entire video. This is going to be a short but very informative video for everyone who is into YouTube or going to be opening a channel very soon. So let me just first tell you in brief what are the criteria that you need to follow to get your channel monetized. For me, it was 1000 subscribers and 4000 public watch hours, but recently after the update from YouTube, it has been changed to 500 subscribers and 3000 hours watch time. So after you complete this task, you can go and open a Google AdSense account, which I'm just going to be showing you in the computer screen. So first of all you need to do is you need to open Google, and right over here you need to type Google AdSense right here. So this is the Google AdSense website. You need to open this particular page here, which will actually lead you to the main home page of Google AdSense. If you have already opened up your account, you need to just sign in, or you can actually open a particular account before your channel gets monetized and also after you monetize your channel. So both ways you can do it. Google AdSense account can be opened anyway around. So as because my account is signed in, I'm just showing you right now. It's going to take a few seconds, I guess. Yes, so as you can see, $10.90 is what I have achieved quite lately. And right over here for view payments option, your payment are on hold because you need to verify your address. So before this particular thing happens, like before you receive your Google AdSense account pin, you will actually get a mail in your phone which will be related to your thing that YouTube has already verified your channel and you have achieved your $10 quota. As you can see your earnings right here. So after you receive your $10, what you need to do is you need to apply. There is a place to actually apply for your address verification. You need to do this. As you can see, this is the address verification needs attention. So this is actually the 6-digit pin which is inside this particular Google AdSense, which I'm going to put in within a few seconds and submit it. So hold on. Well, I'm opening this particular letter in front of you guys because you all also deserve every bit of the credit for this particular channel. And this side also. It's all written here. Remove side edges first, so that you don't actually have any problems with this. Just a second. And this comes to your address by speed post. While you actually go and apply for Google AdSense, you need to give your address details also. And this is actually what you are going to get, as you can see. And right here is the pin which I'm going to actually provide. And it's all written here actually for further instructions and all. So I'm going to put up this particular pin and show you the next step. So after doing that particular step, all you need to go is to the payment info option right here on the left side, and in this particular place you can see add payment method. So you need to click here and you need to add your bank details, because after you have finished off with $100, which is actually the first way you can actually, as you can see it's written here, you have reached 10% of your payment threshold. So the payment threshold is $100. So once you finish that and your bank account gets connected with Google, they will automatically send you the money, and after your money has been sent to your particular account, this particular value will get to zero before it again gets filled up. So I hope you all found this video informative. If you did, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. If you have any queries related to anything, do let me know in the comment section below. I will answer each and everyone's call. So this is how you can open up your Google AdSense account, and after reaching the $10 quota, actually you will be getting this AdSense pin, which I have already showed you how to apply for and what are the things you can do after getting this particular pin. So do keep following the channel, and as you know that the Thailand series continues, I hope you're loving the series as well. So see you all in the next video. Till then, bye bye, take care.